16 pilots attempting to fly at one time, with Alex, Ibcrazy, leading them. Quads are down at the end. Pilots are sitting over here in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
All right, pilots, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, you are going to skip the first gate, and you're going to skip the first flags, so we don't have a mass collision at the beginning. After that, the race is on. This is 16. Yes, please take it easy on takeoff. Take your time if you have to. Pilots, goggles down. Arm. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, forgot about the clearing the field. Total 13?
15.
15. You got 15 up in the air.
We had 15 up.
Awesome.
Oh, at feet. That's awesome.
We just had one that wouldn't take off.